Hi friends! Today, let's fold a jumping frog. Get your 15 by 15 centimeter origami paper ready. Place the green side down. First, fold the paper in half, then unfold. Now fold both sides to meet the center line, like this. Next, fold corner to corner diagonally, then unfold. Do the same the other way so you have an X. Using the X as a guide, fold across into a mountain shape, then unfold. Now, pinch the sides together and squash it down into a triangle pocket. Let's do it again. Fold the edges of the triangle up diagonally. These will be the frog's front legs. Now fold the bottom square up to here. Then fold both sides in to meet the center. And tuck them under the front leg. Next, fold the bottom corners up to this line, then unfold. Press firmly. Fold corner to corner, then open it back up. Use those creases to tuck the corners in. Give it another helper fold. Then squash down. I will show you one more time. Press and squash just like this. Now, fold down along this line. Fold both sides in diagonally. Then fold the bottom up in half. Finally, fold it down along this edge. Flip it over and voila! Your frog is ready. You can stick on googly eyes or draw your own funny face with a marker. And now, press down on bottom of our frog. Watch your frog jump. Thank you for folding with me today. If you liked folding with B, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us make more fun videos like this. Then, see you next time.